Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.